House off in the hills like Drew with me. Same house back at school that you drew with me. All right, look, we're gonna get straight to the point, make this short and simple. Now, in case you have not been following the Los Angeles Archives IG page, they did announce today that the 2020 Vision hoodies will be dropping.
Let me get it done.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create. I am back with another video. Like I said, this one gonna be quick and to the point because some new information came out today, and I just want to get that information to y'all. Yes, indeed, man. You know, we went from coming soon to date coming next week to So let's get off into it. Now, in case you have not been following the Los Angeles Archives IG page, they did announce today that the 2020 Vision hoodies will be dropping this week. Vague statement being that a week consists of 7 days, right? But at least we know to expect them. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead again and give my hot take like I did in the last one, because my last hot take was that we'll have the hoodies drop next week or this week, being that it's Sunday when you're watching this video, and that's what's happening. So my next hot take is that these hoodies will drop on Monday. Yeah, I think Monday is the day. I don't think they're gonna wait too long. I think they're gonna drop Monday. Could be any day next week. It could be Tuesday. It's gonna be Monday. So I would say keep your eyes peeled, man. Either way, we know it's next week, so just stay tuned, man, real talk. Now, in the video I did a couple of days ago, I did give some sizing tips, and I pointed y'all in the direction of another YouTuber who had sizing tips on his channel. But I also got some more information from a subscriber, actually. I hope I'm saying his name right. I want to say it's dbuson81. He said, I have a 2020 sample hoodie. It's insanely thick. If it's the original one, way thicker than the Gap Perfect hoodie, and it's true to size. So that kind of doubles down on, you know, the information that I provided from that other YouTuber's video. In his video, he was saying that he was ordering a large, expected it to be a large, it ended up being an extra large, and it ended up fitting him perfectly, so it worked out. Debuson, hopefully I'm saying his name right, also said that it is true to size. So don't expect this to fit like a Dove hoodie or, you know, the mainline hoodie or anything like that. Get your true to size. And you might even want to go up depending on how tall you are, and just be careful. Don't go too crazy with it. Don't try to size down thinking that it's oversized, because it's gonna be, you know, a belly top at that point. Shout out to the homie dbuson81. Like I said, hopefully I'm saying your name right. I appreciate that information for sure, and I definitely appreciate you for supporting the channel. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know, will you be going for the 2020 Vision hoodie when it drops? Monday, maybe Monday. I'm assuming Monday, but it's next week. Now, in his statement, something did stick out to me that I kind of want to go back to. He said, if it's the original one. I personally don't think it's the original one. I think that Los Angeles Archive is recreating this stuff, which is cool, because outside of Yeezy got Balenciaga, they made it. That's honestly the only problem that I do still have with Los Angeles Archive. It's the transparency. I feel like they keep trying to make it seem like all of this stuff is from 2020 through 2022, instead of just saying, hey, Ye gave us the green light to reproduce the stuff, so we reproduced it. You feel me? Which is all good. I don't have a problem with that. I don't understand why they won't just say that. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? And I could be wrong. I could be wrong. It could all be OG stuff from 2020. They could very well have all the Donda merch from 2020, 2021, 2022 still in packages. You know what I'm saying? They could, that could be the case. I don't think that's the case. And it's all good because Los Angeles, like I say, Los Angeles Apparel made the merch in the first place, right? So that in itself makes it authentic. It's like Nike. They call every Jordan 1 a high 85 or 85 high. We know good and hell well that this ain't the pair from 85, but they made them. They are the source. So they can say that. They could call them reimagined. They can call them remastered. They can call them OG. They can call them whatever they want. We know what they really mean is, we made this as close to the OG specs as we possibly could get it. I think that's what Los Angeles Archive is doing. I think they are reproducing the merch and making it as close to the original specs as possible. Just say that. Even if the quality is slightly different, even if the color is slightly off. That happens with Nike all the time, bro. They say this is an OG, this is true to OG. Sometimes the materials are a little different. Sometimes the design is a little bit off. Sometimes the color is a little bit off. That's what happens. What I will say is, now that I truly understand what's going on it made me feel comfortable shopping with Los Angeles Archive again. That's why I went back and grabbed me a Dove hoodie. For one, they had the best price. At the same time, it's like, come on, man, say what you gotta say. Just say what you gotta say, bro. Because at the same time, you kind of making some of your customers look crazy. To the people that think this stuff is fake, that think we getting duped out of money. Say what it is, bro. At the end of the day, I don't really care because nobody gonna say nothing to me. But I don't know. I feel like they just need to go ahead and say what they need to say. Say what you need to say. Let it be known, bro. I hate to go back to it, but that's really what happened with the Dove hoodie thing. It makes some of your customers look crazy, man. So just say what you need to say. All I wanted to say, man, I just wanted to get that information out there. I rambled on a little bit. Y'all will probably skip all of that because you already got the information you wanted in the beginning. To anybody who's still stuck around, shout out to you, man. Much appreciated, much gratitude. Cheers. And make sure you please hit me with a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. Most importantly, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you can get the notification when I'm dropping these videos. Other than that, man, your boy finna get on up out of here. Like I said, it is a Saturday night and I'm off the SB. And I'm finna get back off it some more. I don't even know if that made sense. To be honest, I don't know if a lot of this stuff I made sense because I think the SB was talking. And with that said, peace, love, I'm gone. I'm out, bro.